Good morning, y'all.
It is another brisk morning. It says 44 in the back of the truck right now, and it definitely feels 44.
Yeah.
Got out of the quilt this morning, and Mishap said, "Whew, it's chilly out here." And he's running around in his shorts and his t-shirt, and he throws his jacket on, and he wasn't out of bed for probably 10 minutes before he was back in it again, warming
With a
back
cup
up.
of coffee.
So, yeah, he's gonna have to get acclimated to the cool weather again, I think.
Yeah.
Or wear more clothes. Me, I'm just wearing more clothes. So you've got another good day planned today, and I'm going to try and stay warm while you're gone.
All right, let's get to trekking.
Let's find a geocache. That one was easy. There we are. Let's open up, see what's inside. This is the Monterey Peak. It's a brand new walkway. It's beautiful. During the winter time, you can really get a beautiful view. Pretty nice for not having to climb a massive mountain on the AT.
All right, y'all. Quick little blue blaze up to Chimney Rocks. All right, y'all. Wanted to show you these two shelters. These are the tumbling run shelters. Got a nice covered area here with a picnic table. Another little shelter. The funny thing about these shelters, one's for snoring, one's for non-snoring. There's a privy down there. Tenting areas right here with a bunch of benches. This is a really nice area. Got a fire pit in front of both of them. Really nice. All right, y'all. So the reason why I think those two shelters are funny is because I know Amethyst would put me over in the snoring shelter. That way she could get some peace and quiet. Because when I don't wear my CPAP, I snore pretty loud. Check this out, y'all. It's two brand new bridges. There's one. Straight ahead, number two. That's awesome. Those are really nice. All right, y'all, it's time once again to say goodbye to another state. Pennsylvania, you rocked my world. Get it? You rocked my world. Let's say goodbye to Pennsylvania and hello to Maryland. Let's get to trekking. All right, y'all, 18.2 more miles done. I can see the truck. There's Amethyst.
Hi, guys.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
We made it again.
You did.
Good morning, y'all.
So we did not close out the video for yesterday because we had no time to do it, honestly. So we got to Penmar Park here where he finished this hike, and from there we went straight into Waynesboro and spent the evening with a friend. So I'll get to that, but first we're going to talk about the hike for you yesterday. How was your day?
It was really good. Hiked 18.2 miles, had one overlook, Chimney Rocks, and crossed into a new state, Maryland.
Yeah, so technically you got two because you had the one here at Penmar as well once you finished.
Yeah, that's
for the
true,
evening,
yeah.
And it's a really nice view here. I spent the whole day geocaching yesterday. I picked up a bunch of geocaches, did a small hike with it as well. And from there we went into Waynesboro and met up with a gentleman named Soggy, and I'll pop in his picture from when we met him this past June. And he had asked us then to make sure that we hit him up when we came to this area so that we could spend some time with him again. And him and his dog Nero, and then also a former Thru-Hiker from 2020, a vlogger that we watched as well, Wild. We also met in June, the same day that we met Soggy. And he came over and visited yesterday evening as well. So, I mean, we spent all evening with Soggy and his mom, and they made dinner for us, and that was an amazing meal.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it was so good. It was like a Thai type new, I don't even know what all to call it, but it was like a Thai meal with rice, and it was just, it was really good.
Really
Had a little
good.
spice to it, cashews in it. It was delicious. And got up this morning and had breakfast with his mom, and we thoroughly enjoyed our time there. So just want to thank all three of you actually so much, and went to the dog park and spent some time watching Nero play with the other dogs, and just had a wonderful evening. Just never actually took the time to film, and by the time it was bedtime, everybody was laying down. We didn't want to disturb anybody with doing a closing video, so we're just like, we'll get it in the morning.
We'll get it in the morning.
So had a wonderful evening with friends, and that was the best part of it. So we're gonna close it out.
All right.
Oh wait,
the mishap count.
mishap count. Oh. Okay, mishap count.
The mishap count for the day is 0.
Woo-hoo. That was perfect. Even with me going out and doing a little hike, I did great. I felt good.
You're not supposed to be doing that though.
But it was short. It was short. I didn't hurt myself. That's it though. Yeah,
All right,
let's close it out.
like always, hit that subscribe button, give us that thumbs up, turn on those notifications, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
Good night.
Good morning.